Hi, this is Jyoti from BIMES. In this tutorial, I will explain you how you can create a RFI sheet directly from ArchiCAD. For this, to explain this, I have taken a simple example. This is the RFI sheet which we issue to the client. But till 15, what we are doing is we are manually filling in all these details and taking the snapshot from ArchiCAD and the DWG drawings which we use as a trace reference. When we are, this is what we do when we are doing our services. But in 16 we have the option of creating the RFI sheet directly from ArchiCAD. So now I'm going to explain the same. So now going back to ArchiCAD. So here I have used a simple model and I have placed some markers for representing some of the structural issues, and I have created a default marker for architecture issues. And this is a 3D view. Here I have just placed a beam with clashing between the door and the beam, and here you can see that section view, it's clashing with each other. And now I'm going to show you how you can create RFI for this particular issue. First, I used this pyramid as an object to show the marker. This will help you to navigate from the interactive schedule to the place where exactly the issue is. And for this I have given the ID for the issue, and here in the IFC parameters I have created some of the IFC parameters. Over here I have created a new group called RFI, and then I have added all the parameters which I would like to list in the interactive schedule. And then I have filled in over here some of the issues, some of the information related to the issue. And then in the interactive schedule I have created a new interactive schedule in which I have set the object type is pyramid, so it will look for only the pyramid object. And here, using this add IFC properties, I have added all these things as a schedule list over here. So here I have added the date, ID, and then severity, status, trade, and which float the issue is, then drawing reference, grid reference, and here I have added 3D front view and back view. So this will help me to place the snapshot of the issue in ArchiCAD. So now I'm going to show that how you can place the snapshot. So now let us take a look at the schedule. Over here you can see the schedule with issue ID and then severity, all the information. And over here you can see the preview picture. By default it is going to be the picture of the pyramid object. Now I'm going to do the annotate over here, and then I can go back to the plan, and I'm using one of the feature in Mac where I can crop or take a snapshot of a particular portion, and then I go back to this annotate. Now I'm pasting the image over here, and by default this image you can see the actual marker will come on top. So I changed my shortcut of display order bring to front to U. So whenever I press U, this will bring the image to the top. So now this comes the floor plan, and I can show the 3D view. So going back to 3D view, and I'm taking a snapshot now of this particular region. Going back to schedule, annotate, paste, and then I'm pressing U, so it will brings the image to the front. Okay, so this way you can add the RFIs in ArchiCAD, and whenever you are presenting to the client and you want to show them where exactly the issue is, so you can directly select in the interactive schedule, and then either you can use select on the floor plan, so it will zoom and show you where exactly the issue is, and we can use some of ArchiCAD functions to show them only the issue in that particular area. Finally, if you wish to export this interactive schedule to Excel sheet, you can save as an Excel format. Go to desktop and RFI. So here you can see the interactive schedule comes very well, and this automatically fills each and every cell. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you.